Welcome! In this video, we will cover how to create an estimate within Field Central. Once you have logged into your Field Central web account, click on the plus button and then select Create Estimate. Then click Create from Scratch. Begin by entering the property info and then provide a title for the estimate and select the service category it will belong to. Once complete, click Save. You are now within the estimate details and you are able to edit as needed. Take note that you are able to edit the dates and monthly billing settings from this section. Navigate to the Work To Dos tab and toggle on which ones you would like to include in this estimate. Default pricing will auto-populate, but you are able to adjust as needed. In addition, you can add labor, materials, or flat rate items, or add a note. Once satisfied, click the Done button and save the estimate and any adjustments. If there is an already existing opportunity within Field Central, you will navigate via a slightly different path. Click the Main Menu button, select Sales and Estimates, and then open Estimates and Opportunities. On the desired opportunity, click on the eye icon on the right side of the page. Navigate to the Create Estimate tab and complete the process as previously outlined. Ready to give it a go? Depending on if this is a new opportunity or an existing one, try it out yourself.